Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the huge pharmacy and retailer Walgreens. They are hiring a remote call center specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. They do have a few state restrictions we will get to in just a second, but just know if you're interested in putting that application in, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. But if you keep scrolling down the page linked, you'll come all the way down to the job description. You do have to scroll for a second to get here. They're hiring a remote call center specialist. Pay for this position starts at a base rate of $15 an hour, which is $600 a week. After 90 days on the job, which is only 3 months, you'll get a pay raise to $16 an hour. This is a general customer service job. You'll resolve routine general questions and problems submitted by either customers, physicians' offices, patients, or third-party vendors like insurance companies via different sources with a limited variety. You'll follow established guidelines and standard SOPs and procedures. You'll utilize all the information available to you to choose the best solution and resolve customer concerns. You'll use computer applications to log and track inquiries, as well as check the status of items that require follow-up involvement of other parties. Now, third parties can be like insurance companies. When you're dealing with the customers, you'll document your contact interactions. You'll record the details, any complaints and comments that they have, and any follow-up actions you take. You might also have to contact the customers or physicians' offices or third-party vendors via outbound phone call to inquire or notify them of investigation results or planned adjustments. Now, as far as state restrictions, the following locations are not eligible: Alabama, Washington, California, Oregon, Massachusetts, DC, Alaska, Oregon, Hawaii, New York, Puerto Rico, unfortunately, and Chicago, Illinois. That looks like the rest of Illinois, other than Chicago, is eligible, though. They don't require any kind of college degree. They require very little experience. They're really looking for somebody who's a high school diploma or GED, someone who can type at least 25 words a minute, have a basic computer skills like being able to start and shut down a computer, use a mouse to point and click, start and close programs, save files, the very basics. They're looking for somebody who has a basic search engine skills like opening up Google and typing in URLs and getting to the correct location or searching for a website. Of course, you've got to have great communication skills. Now, to be eligible for this role, it is work from home. You're going to have to be required to have an active home phone line. Cell phones and VoIP are not supported. You also have to have an active high-speed internet connection. Now, they do prefer somebody who has 1 year of some kind of customer service experience, but that is not required. So really, very little experience is required. If you have fluency in Spanish and English, that is a bonus and will get you to the front of the line. Now, on the top of the pay, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. They also include some other benefits as far as a Walgreens employee stock purchase plan, child care discounts, and employee discount program if you shop at Walgreens. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. Also, if you have any suggestions on how I could make this channel better, things I could do differently, feel free to leave those down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.